Yo, welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel by Foreign Tracker. In today's video, we are going to make cucumber water. This is a refreshing water that you can drink, and this drink helps you to lose weight. It keeps you hydrated, and this is really good for you. And so it's going to be cucumber and lime water. That's what we are going to be making today. So stay with me as I put everything together and see how it comes out, and if it is something that you can do as well. So stay with me and I'll see you right here. Alright, so today I'm just going to use one cucumber because this is just going to be a single serve. If you are making these for a lot of people or for the whole family, then depending on how many people you have, then you're gonna add the ingredients according to make it more. But for me, I'm just one person going to use this, and so also I'm gonna add 1 key lime to this drink. That is going to give us the flavor we want. There's not going to be sweetness. You can add sweetness to this, especially if you have kids who doesn't want to drink this. You can add a little sugar into it for them. That will help them to drink it. But apart from that, being me alone or doing this alone, if you want to get the natural flavor from this, you don't need to add any sweetness to this. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut the end, both ends here, and then there I am just going to cut just one slice like this for garnishing, and the rest, what we're gonna do is I'm going to peel this more or less good with knife, because I'm used to peeling with knife more than a peeler. I'm not used to using a peeler because when I was growing up, we never used a peeler, we only use knife. So that's what I'm used to. So everything I do, I'll rather use a knife. It's easier for me to cut a thing to use the knife than to actually try to use a peeler. That's a little story. All this done, and I'm just gonna cut this in half, cut it again, and then I am going to cut this cubes. You can remove the seed, but since we are going to strain this as it's done, we can just keep everything in there. So now that this is all done, I have 2 cups of water already in the blender, and I'm going to put this in, and I'm going to knead this to knead the lime so it will be easy for me to get the juice. So I am going to cut this in half. Okay, and I am going to put it aside, and we're just going to do our blending now. Here we are, 2 cups of water, and then 1 cucumber peeled off, and just chop it and put it in. Depending on how much drink you want, you can add more, but the 2 cups should be enough juice that we want from 1 cucumber. And we are going to this looks good. And you want to blend this like at least 2 to 3 minutes for everything to blend well. So I think what we have here looks good. So I am going to strain this right here. Oh wow, you can see the foaming. All right, and I'm just going to use this. Make sure we get all the water out. Rinse the blender and add that to this. Okay, so now, all right, so now you can see our water already. The foam is just the when you are blending the air, but this is really good juice that we can drink. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze the lemon juice right in here so it can catch all the seed that will come out. It's good to knead the lime because it's sometimes they can get a little tough and it's hard to get all the juice out of them. But if you knead the lime before squeezing it, it makes the easier to get a lot of water out. To make sure we get everything out of here. See, we have a nice refreshing juice looking. Okay, so now I am going to pour this in here. Fresh and delicious, perfect drink. So I'm going to give it a taste and see how this comes out. So I will see you and tell you exactly what I think about this drink. I just finished making the cucumber lime water. That's what I just finished, and I'm going to give it a taste. Everything looks, you can see how stunning, refreshing it looks, and then the color and everything. And I just garnish it with a little cucumber. So I'm going to give it a taste. Okay, so this is it's just like just water. You taste the little lime that is in there, and then the cucumber, you taste that as well, but it's not strong, it's just mild because we added a lot of water to this. And it has not really a sweetness. There's no sweetness to this. This is just like a water. So you can actually pour this on an ice if you want. And if you want to give this to kids, some kids don't want to drink anything without sweetness to it, you can add a little sugar to that for the kids to be able to like it. But some kids will drink this without, not worried about it's not sweet. But for a grown-up like me, I am going to drink this naturally like this. I'm not going to add any sweetness to it because I don't need it. I want to enjoy the natural form of this, and this really is good for your health. This really helps hydrate you. This is refreshing. The cucumber has the health benefits that comes with it. So to drink this on its own like this is really good. And you can have this on a hot summer day or any day that you feel like you need something to drink and you don't want to be drinking all sort of things and you want a healthy drink. You can just make this. This is just within 5 minutes you make this, is done. You don't have to spend so much time on it. It's a quick fix drink that you can have at any time you want. So I hope you will try this, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. And I would like you to try this and let me know. For me, just going to enjoy this the way it is, and I like it. One thing I noticed also is you can add a little bit more lime to it, but like the way it is like this is perfect to go. So I hope to see you on my next video. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you. Take care. Bye bye.